I'd like to introduce the Lava HQST link. The Lava HQST link is an internet polling system for electronic cash registers and point-of-sale systems. It is specifically designed as a modem replacement. It can either replace a modem-to-modem link in an existing system, or it can do the job instead of modems for those considering polling for the first time. Basically, if your system can work with modems, it will work with this system instead of modems, transparently. When I say transparently, I mean so in all regards. When you use a Lava HQST link, you keep your existing cash register, polling hardware, polling software, and cash register software. You don't even need to change your polling software configuration. If your polling software dialed stores phone numbers on a modem, you can keep that system. The HQST link will now map store numbers to IP addresses. Apart from replacing modems, however, the HQST link is the most logical and cost-effective means of polling over IP for any cash register or POS system that is not natively IP-based. I'd like to make the case for the Lava HQST link by comparing it to the alternatives, specifically polling using modems over telephone lines and IP-based polling methods. I'll look at ease of installation, cost-effectiveness in operation, reliability, network visibility, speed, flexibility of communications, security, and the use of existing infrastructure. Looking first at the ease of installation, we can see that modem polling at a store is complicated by cabling requirements, the difficulty of verifying the connectivity of a link, and by the numerous settings a modem requires. On the other hand, conventional IP-based polling is complicated by the need to map router ports at every store to allow access to the ECRs or POS stations. By contrast, the HQST link needs no detailed setup and no router configuration at stores. When we look at cost-effectiveness in operation, we see that modem polling is made expensive by long-distance charges and monthly phone line costs. Conventional IP-based polling is made expensive by monthly ISP charges to have a static IP address at every store. The Lava HQST link incurs neither phone line costs nor static IP address costs, making its month-by-month costs low. The reliability of polling using the HQST link is another benefit. The reliability of modem polling is adversely affected by line drops due to telephone line noise. Sometimes these make completing a polling cycle impossible. Conventional IP-based polling becomes unreliable when a computer is part of the polling system of every store. Hard drives, fans, and unstable operating systems can all cause downtime. Lava HQST links automatically reboot and reconnect when they go down. Also, no operating system is a part of the polling connection. Network visibility is another essential polling requirement, especially for franchise operators. Modem polling and conventional IP-based polling leave the head office operating blind to the overall status of store connections. But Lava HQST links provide HQST basic software that continually shows all active store connections to the headquarters. You can see your whole polling network at a glance. The Lava HQST link provides a significant speed advantage over modem-based polling. Modem polling is slowed by the need for modems to negotiate and establish a connection. This step can take longer than the poll itself. The HQST link offers speed equivalent to IP-based polling, the fastest it can be. The speed is limited only by the cash register you are polling. HQST links are also ideal for users who need flexible communications. Conventional IP-based polling using FTP does not provide a bidirectional link, needed, for example, when a head office wants to update SKUs or pricing information in stores' cash systems. The Lava HQST link provides great security. Conventional IP-based polling has numerous weaknesses. Router port mapping opens the store to outside network access. Passwords can be forgotten or exposed, and store devices can be reconfigured. Lava HQST links have none of these weaknesses and use unique authentication codes and a closed one-to-many system for maximum security. Finally, Lava HQST links let you use your existing infrastructure. Conventional IP-based polling will require older serial-based cash register systems to be replaced. HQST links connect serial-based store cache systems to head offices with ST Plus units, all in one system. In summary, the Lava HQST link is a system with a real business case. In many cases, simply the cost saved on installation will pay for the deployment itself. Cost savings occur in a number of areas: eliminating phone lines, both at the remote location and at the head office; reducing servers at the head office; cost-effectively updating ECR pricing remotely; reducing support costs; securing royalty payments; eliminating the need for a static IP address at every store; eliminating long-distance telephone charges; reducing installation costs; and gaining greater network availability and visibility. The payback period for a Lava HQST link is very short. Depending on individual factors, it can be as little as half a year or up to 2 years.